I'm Mike Bandilla, the SEO head of Out Digital. And Out Digital was in the industry na since 2009 pa nga. Ayun nga, na-mention nga ni Sir Glenn. And Out is iba pa yung branding nun. Then naging Out lang talaga siya last 2013, 2014. Tapos yung head namin is si Sir Marvin. Yun, visit nyo liveoutdigital.com. May mga hiring din kami doon. Tapos, siguro, to know me further, add nyo na lang ako sa Facebook, so facebook.com/mike.bandilla. Tapos, add nyo na rin ako, tapos chat-chat tayo doon. Okay lang naman, chat-chat lang naman. And thank you rin pala, Sir Glenn, for inviting us. Kasi ang last conference natin is 2018. And nagkaroon lang ulit tayo ng conference ngayon na live. This is the biggest Philippine SEO conference, not just in Philippines, no, but in the entire Southeast Asia. So, palakpakan natin si Sir Glenn for that. So, yun. Naka 5 minutes na ata ako. Okay na yun. So, I'm talking about, my topic today is about growing SEO e-commerce from zero to hero. So, as an SEO specialist, we are focused on organic traffic. We are focused on ranking. So, that is my number one fact. SEO people are focused to increase organic traffic. Yun nga, hindi lang sa organic traffic, but also on rankings. So, for example, I would like to tell you a story. Si Oliver, pumapasok siya every day, 8 hours a day sa agency niya. Ayan, si Oliver. Then, si Oliver is very proud of his works since na gusto niyang i-rank talaga yung mga target keywords niya. Then one day, tinanong siya ng boss niya, Oliver, kamusta yung rankings natin? Sir Glenn, okay naman. Medyo nag-increase talaga. Talagang nasa top na. Ayan. Pero, si client nagtanong kay Sir, Sir Glenn, kamusta yung revenue natin? So, doon papasok yung next fact. Next fact is, clients, we need more revenue. Ayan. So, also a fact, revenue is much significant as rankings and traffic. So, dito na papasok yung e-commerce. So, actually, majority of tayo mga SEO people, talagang master na natin yan eh. On-page, technical SEO, off-page, content. Talagang focus tayo sa mga keywords na nilarank natin. But some of us, pag tinanong tayo ng mga clients natin, kamusta ba yung revenue? Kasi, kaya tayo nakuha ng mga client natin because, number one, it's more about the revenue talaga. Actually, yung mga clients naman talaga, hindi naman sila tumitingin dyan sa di ba? Sa rankings, di ba? Sa traffic, ayan. Ang gusto nila revenue. Pera. So, ayun. So, pupunta naman tayo sa next part, which is yung objectives ng e-commerce. Ayan. Number one, objectives ng e-commerce is expanding organic sales that do not require the expenditure of advertising funds. Number two is increasing the visitors to your product, not just in product page, but also in a collection page. Number three is raising organic brand awareness for specific keywords or products by targeting non-branded and broad keywords. And number four, get free traffic. So, ayan yung gusto natin, free traffic. E-commerce is more likely na we spend budget like sa Facebook ads, we spend budget sa Google ads in order to get traffic, in order to get sales. But for SEO, ang pinaka-goal talaga natin is to get a free traffic. So, I want to show you some of our campaigns na ginawa namin sa clients namin. So, this campaign is one of the biggest leading retail store in Southeast Asia. So, ito yung ginawa namin. So, Pre-Shopify, as you can see, Ayan, yung data nila is wala talaga kasing zero since na yung tinatouch nilang market is hindi pa ganun talagang ka-establish. So they want to establish themselves as one of the leading e-commerce website sa Philippines. So nag-start sila dyan. Then, what we do is, yun nga, choose an e-commerce platform that wins. Ayan. Although there are a lot of different e-commerce platform, no? So, meron tayo Shopify, WooCommerce, PrestaShop, Magento. So, we choose Shopify since na I don't credit naman yung ibang e-commerce platform. But Shopify is very user-friendly. Tawag dito, yung integration is okay na, yung marketing and insights. Everything about Shopify is kompleto na. So yun, we integrated naman yung e-commerce nila to Shopify and the result is, ayan, there are a lot of errors na show doon sa website nila. So yung site health, medyo bumaba nga, mababa talaga, which is 56%. Then yung errors, then yung warnings, and notices na ginagawa namin. And the approach, this is the approach. Number one, paano namin ginawa yun? Client partnership. Kasi nga, yung hinahandle naming client na to is, their pages is more than 200,000. 200,000 pages. So we need to partner with that client. So kami, sa team namin, 3 lang kami tumitira. Sila 20 yung team na yun eh. 20 sila dun sa team. So ginawa namin, tinrain namin yung team nila in order for them to properly optimize kung ano ba yung mga products, like yung best practices na dapat gawin nila dun sa website nila, like how to upload the right product description, how to optimize images, how to do a proper title tag and proper tagging and categories. So, this is a very crucial part since na hindi naman talaga ganun ka-technical yung mga yung partner or yung client namin. So, we every week gumagawa kami ng client audit or kung tama ba itong ginawa nyo, tama ba yung ginawa niyan. So, next part is yung workflow efficiency. So, workflow efficiency, so this part naman is every week since now we are doing 200,000 pages, we are auditing weekly. So, weekly kami nag-audit, tapos minamake sure namin na yung mga in-audit namin every week is ito yung talaga yung mga priority. Kasi as what Sir Glenn have mentioned earlier, you need to prioritize kung ano yung mga technical SEO na dapat mong i-audit or i-fix first. So, dito, medyo talagang tutok kami in order for us to achieve yung desired naming results. And the next part is the hardworking SEO strategy. So for this one, ayan, ang una namin ginawa is to identify keywords that map out on level 1 pages. So ayan, for this one, kasi, of course, there are a lot of different keywords. Diba? Meron tayong navigational keywords, transactional, informational keywords. So, keyword mapping is very important in e-commerce SEO. Since na dito mga galing talaga yung most of the traffic ng strategy natin. Then, next one is we need to practice EAT in descriptions. So kung makikita nyo, the latest algorithm ni Google, actually this is shown on SEMrush. So makikita nyo product descriptions, yung ranking factor niya is +5. So for this one, you need to show the benefits first, then yung specifics is the second. So for the product descriptions, you need to show muna na kung ano ba yung expertise, yung authority and trustworthiness ng product pages na ina-optimize nyo. The next one is yung sa maximize structured data. Also, although hindi naman talaga ito yung actually na ranking factor, but it is very important for SEO since na ito yung tinitingnan ng mga users natin. So kung makikita nyo, in optimizing structured data markup, makikita nyo yung rating, kung sino yung rate, and at the same time, yung mga site links na naka-include dyan. The next one is, sorry, the architecture. So in order for us to optimize the URLs or the site architecture, magkaroon tayo ng what we call this, yung proper site architecture dun sa site natin. Since this is more on e-commerce, from homepage, dapat magkaroon tayo ng categories page and collection page. Then, and unfortunately, for this one, the Merchant Center, sino familiar dito sa Google Merchant Center? So, yun, unfortunately, this is a ranking factor na for Google. Actually, ito naman is free. Free naman si Merchant Center. So, as you can see, lahat ng products na nilagay namin sa pages namin is andun din sa Merchant Center. So, pag nag-search, whenever user search for a certain products, so we will make sure na nasa Merchant Center siya. And from the Merchant Center, they will click, pupunta dun sa website na ino-optimize namin or sa client namin. And the results, after that, so we do several testing pa rin and experimentation for this one. And these are the results. These are the ranking for branded and non-branded keywords. So as you can see, September up to January, nag-increase na siya. So these are the results na ginagawa namin. And for the positions distribution, we have also increased. And organic traffic improvement. Ayan. And
ng konti yung mic sa bibig mo. Medyo kasi yung feedback sa likod.
sige. And next one is, ayun nga, after that, don't stop optimizing. You need to optimize pa rin. Optimization of product pages with good conversion results. So as you can see here, this one, ito yung product na in-optimize namin. You need to see kung ano yung thing na maganda yung conversion results. So as you can see here, so itong product na to with a product revenue of 14 million, so yung cart to detail rate niya is 21.94% and buy to detail niya is 5.16%. Cart to detail, so it means na from product pages to add to cart, then buy to detail is from cart to checkout. So for this one, ito yung mga products na optimize namin. So yun nga, we optimize the collection pages, we optimize the metadata, and tags and everything. And next one is go for big. So go for big, what it means is, for this one, choose the right keywords. So for example kasi, for short term, ito yung mga tinatawag nating long tail keywords, ito yung mga branded keywords. Maybe kasi, as we go dun sa as we go dun sa campaign natin, si client, nagde-demand na yan. Kamusta na yung revenue natin? Kamusta na yung rankings natin? So, ito yung pangbanat natin kay client. So, ito yung mga long tail keywords and branded keywords na sinushow natin. But, as we go through the campaign, we go to the long term, which is, ito na yung mga head term keywords, which is actually 3 to 4 keywords pa rin, but broader yung specific targets nila, and go for big term impact, which is the broad keywords. For broad keywords naman, ito yung tinatarget naman is yung mga collection pages natin. So for the long tail keywords, kasi actually ito yung mga nag-rank or ito yung mga nagko-convert. But for the broad keywords, ito naman yung mga high search volume. So as we go through the campaign natin, habang nag-optimize tayo or habang nag-convert yung mga long tail keywords natin, so ino-optimize naman natin yung mga broad keywords natin. So ang target naman natin dito is yung mga high search volume. For example, men's shoes, women's shoes, ayan, and etc. Next one is the acceleration of technical optimization of top level pages. So this one naman is the technical optimization. It's more on the structured data markup then. So for example, for this product ulit, we do proper collection pages tagging. We do structured data markup, and as a result, in the span of 2 years, we achieve, ayan, 23 million users for a span of 2 years. And we have actually gained 600 million plus na revenue dun sa client na yun. So, ayan, sabi nila, hindi pa rin sila masaya kasi kulang pa yan eh. Sabi. So, ayun. And that's it. Thank you.